Today I am going to show you how to make an artificial plant with the help of straw. So the first thing that you need is straw. I have taken 50 straws here to make the plant. Next you need a long sheet of paper and you have to place the straw on top of the paper and fold the paper as I have shown. After folding the paper, you need a hot iron box and you have to iron on top of the paper. After ironing, you can see that the straw has completely changed its shape. Now, same way you have to do for the remaining straws. You can do this one by one, or you can place 2-3 straws together and then iron. So I have ironed all the straws and I have taken 6 yellow straws also. Next you have to take a straw and cut the straw as I have shown in the video. From both the edges you have to cut. So after cutting you will get a sharp end. You can see here that I have cut all the straws, and next you need a wire. I have taken a thick copper wire here and you have to wrap this wire in paper. So this is how the wire looks after wrapping in paper. Now next you need a floral tape, green color tape. Now using this tape I am going to cover the paper. After covering the paper with floral tape, one by one we can attach the straws on the paper, and for attaching the straw I am using the same floral tape which I have used before. When you are attaching the straw with this floral tape, make sure that you are wrapping the tape very tightly, otherwise the straw will fall down very easily. So you have to wrap the straws tightly with the floral tape. So the same way you can attach the remaining straws on the paper. So this is how it looks after attaching few straws. Now you have to attach the remaining straws too. So I have attached all the straws. Now next you need a planter to place the plant which you have made. And I have taken few pebbles to place the plant inside the planter. If you don't have pebbles, you can use sand.